Hey, I'm Sam and I do design, and in the video today, we are doing a question and answering session for 40,000 subscribers. Actually, this question is more of a question for me, and I thought it was quite interesting. It says, what is something you want to learn this year? So something I want to learn this year, which that sort of stopped me in my tracks a little bit because I do these videos and I kind of help out and try and guide people to where they want to go. And I never really stopped to think about what I want to learn this year or what my goals are. And when I stopped to think about what my goals are, it's interesting because this past year in my full day job, I've moved from being a junior designer to being a mid designer, a middleweight, mid, whatever we call it. Names don't matter. Names aren't real, but a midweight designer. And what that's meant is that I've led a project and I will begin to lead more projects where I have a team that I need to manage, right? So the team, originally I would have been on a team helping out the team leader. And this year I have progressed into being that team leader, not on every project, not 10 projects at once, one project at a time to begin with, and I'm still a team member on other projects. But it's meant that I've seen design from the managerial side of things as well. And I really enjoyed that. So this year, I want to carry that on and understand more about how to do that effectively to enable others as well. That kind of ties into what I'm doing here on this channel. I'm trying to empower, because I don't want to get too philosophical on this, but with this channel, I'm trying to empower other people purely by not saying that I'm an expert, but saying, hey, I learned this thing yesterday, I'm going to teach you today. And if I can pass that on to my day job and guide designers in my day job as well in an effective way, then that's something that I'm really looking forward to going on this journey to happen. So in answer to the question, well, then my mind starts reeling, right? Because this channel is always about teaching young designers, here's the trick you can get in KeyShot to just make you 1% better than you were before you watch the video. Here's the tip that just gives you that slight edge. It doesn't make you a genius, but it just each and every day helps out, right? And it's just these little snippets of a KeyShot tip or a portfolio advice. And if I begin to move away from doing the KeyShot or being really involved in the nuts and bolts of the project in terms of like getting work done, like setting up KeyShot scenes, if I move more into managerial and people managing skills, right, within the next 5 years, let's say, what does that mean for this channel? Does Sam Does Design move with me as I learn new people managing skills? And does the channel start to teach that to the subscribers? I don't know. I've always had a passion for the minute detail of a project, whether it's nicely surfacing, a component or setting up a nice KeyShot scene to sell the idea to a client. I've really enjoyed getting in and doing that work. And I'm lucky enough that when I do start to manage projects at my job, I don't stop doing the KeyShot. I don't stop doing the SolidWorks and the modeling and that stuff. But it just made me think, where would this channel go if I did become more of a senior designer and a team leader? Food for thought. Maybe in the comments you'd have some ideas on that. But I don't think I would ever leave KeyShot, or I wouldn't leave the visceral getting things done and having something at the end of a project that you can hold on to and say, I did this curve, or I made this part. I don't think this channel is going to move away from that. That was a long answer to the question, and I started rambling. Thank you so much for watching this question and answering sessions for my 40,000 subscribers celebration. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and hit the bell button and everything else that YouTube asks you to do. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.